Okay. Okay.
So why don't we, all right, so we'll start with name, title, and the company.
Okay.
Why don't we start with that?
Yes, hello. My name is Bastian Salarius from Ericsson, and I'm working in Ericsson Research.
Tell me a little bit about what you do at Ericsson as research.
As researcher in Ericsson, I'm working mostly on end-to-end system design for distributed systems for automotive. So how do you design a platform that supports the automotive use cases that we see in the future from an end-to-end perspective, from the car to the whole distributed cloud endpoints?
Great. You've been a member of AECC for a while, so tell me a little bit about what you're doing as a member for AECC.
As a member for AECC, I'm working on the function architecture of the communication part of the system design. And in that role, I'm also leading and coordinating the technical discussions in order to get a working, I'm gonna have to rephrase that.
That's okay. Start over.
Yeah, let me think a bit. Yes, okay. So in AECC, in my role as a, can you rephrase the question once more?
So as a member of AECC,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
what kind of role do you play as a member in AECC?
Mm-hmm. Okay. So as a member of AECC, I'm of course working on the technical solution design for the communication part of the solution we are aiming for. But next to that, I'm also leading a special interest group that deals with the functional architecture and the specification when it comes to things like server selection, breakout selection in the cellular network, and these aspects related to communication.
Why do you think it's important to participate in AECC? Like, what is it that the AEC is doing that you find to be very important to the automotive connected vehicle ecosystem?
Mm-hmm.
So you might want to start like, it's really, AEC is really focusing on doing this in the automotive edge computing system, and the reason it's important is for these reasons or something like that.
Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So the Automotive Edge Computing Consortium is aiming for a global solution to support future automotive use cases that require a largely distributed system, and thus will involve a number of players that take part in this. And in order to achieve that, we need to harmonize the strategies and the solutions that we are aiming for. So we need to talk between the telco industry, between the IT industry and the automotive industry to come to an agreement on how do we see we can tackle this challenge, and we can come up with an architecture where all these players can interact efficiently.
So we just came out with a technical report. The AEC has just come out with a technical report. Mm-hmm. Why don't you talk a little bit about the importance of this technical report, some of the problems it solves, and why don't we talk a little bit about that?
Okay. Yes.
And you might want to say something like, as being a member of the AECC, really, you had already talked a little bit about what your role was. You might want to say something like, as being part of the AEC as a member role, you've really been focusing on the technical architecture. We just released our first technical report, which does this, and solves this and this, something like that.
Okay. Okay, can you just go back to the question once more so that
Yeah, so you guys just came out with a technical report, right?
Okay.
And so why don't you talk a little bit about the technical report and what it's done, or what the solutions it's helping to address.
Yeah. So in ACC, we've just released a technical report that summarizes the first achievements that we've done in the technical work.
Sorry.
Okay. Was that a no-go?
Yeah, let them go.
Okay, that's fine.
Because we'll pick up all that noise.
Okay. Is it
just
paused? It's a bit better.
Yeah, he's going back, so let's try to pick up for you. Why don't we start off for you?
I can start off.
Yep.
Okay. So in ACC, we've just released a technical report that summarizes the main outcomes of the technical work so far. And I guess the main focus has been on the implications of mobility of the vehicles, since we will have a movement in a way that we need to reconnect to different servers, we need to maintain connectivity in that time, probably reconnect to different servers, and that has been one of the main focuses so far.
Let's do that again, sorry.
No problem. Okay. So in ACC,
Yeah, they're coming up with more stuff.
he's doing some things.
Yeah.
I think he's.